What's up, friends? This is JIESCA tutorial on JIESCA Show. Have you ever wondered how you can take screenshots on your Windows operating system? Well, in this simple tutorial, I'm going to teach you not only one, but 4 ways on how you can take screenshots in Windows 10.
Wow!
So please don't skip any part of the video so that you won't miss anything on the process. Hi, I'm going to teach you right now the top 4 best ways on how to take a screenshot in Windows 10.
Yes!
These methods have different variations, which means that one method might be preferred as it's more convenient to your workflow or because of the program you are using.
Okay.
So first of all, the easiest way to take a screenshot is to press the print screen key on your keyboard, which is near the delete button. When you press this key, it takes a picture of your screen or screens if you are using multiple screens, and then it gets saved on your cache memory. You can then open Paint or any image editing software. So in this tutorial, we are going to use the Paintbrush program. In order to open the Paintbrush program, you go here to the Start button and then type in Paint. And then you click Open. Once Paintbrush is open, you can now paste your screenshot here by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V. Once that is done, you can now save your screenshot by going here to the File and then select Save As. You can also select the picture file format you want to save it.
Okay.
So for example, we are going to select JPEG picture. And then you're going to save it on your selected files. So in this tutorial, we are going to select the folder Pictures. And then you put here your file name, screenshot. And then you save it as JPEG. And then you click Save. So once that is done, you can check it here on your folder. And then here you go. Your screenshot is already saved on the Pictures folder.
Wow!
You can also save your screenshot by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S. And then you go to your selected folder. Like for example, again, we're going to select Pictures folder. And then we're going to put here a file name. So screenshot 2. And then we're going to select a file type. Like for example, we're going to select again JPEG. And then click Save. So if we are going to check our folder again, so there you have your 2 screenshots. So this method is the easiest if you want to save your screenshot. If you want to directly save a screenshot without having to paste it in Paint or any other image editing software, then use the keyboard shortcut Windows key print screen. This will automatically save all of your screenshots in the Screenshots folder, where you can find it inside the Pictures folder. There you go. Again, we're going to use the Windows key print screen. So your screenshot will be automatically saved inside this Screenshots folder. You can also use the shortcut Alt Print Screen. This will save the current active window, for example this one, and save it to your clipboard. And then you can paste it in Paint or any image editing software like Photoshop. So let's use again Paint. Okay, open Paint. And then you paste it by using Ctrl+V. And then you're going to save it to your selected folder. So once again, let's use the Pictures folder and put here the file name, screenshot 3, and then click Save. So if we are going to check it in the pictures folder, there you have it, your screenshot number 3.
Wow.
Next, you can use the integrated snipping tool.
Okay.
You can open it by going to the start button and then type snipping. And then you click open. Here, you select new and then you make a selection anywhere on your desktop what you want on your screenshot. So for example, this one. And then you're going to save it by going to File and click Save As. And by going to your selected folder. So again, we're going to select Pictures. And then we're going to put here a file name, Screenshot 4. And right now, we're going to select the PNG file format. And then click Save. So if you're going to check it in our Pictures folder, so here you have your screenshot number 4, in which it is in PNG file format. So that's it. I hope you have learned a lot from this tutorial. Leave a comment if you have any questions. And if this video has helped you a lot, then please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell. Again, this is JIESCA tutorial from JIESCA Show. Thank you and see you on the next one. Bye-bye!